Okay, this is a short demonstration on how to log external applications through the Recruit platform. So instances in when you would do this is where you're applying for placement opportunities outside of Recruit. So your placement tutor and the university will understand that you will maybe apply for a number of opportunities through Recruit, but you will also identify opportunities which are advertised outside of the system through an employer website or another kind of online platform. But it's important for you to record those external applications so that your placement tutor and the school in which you study can see a record of the number of applications you've made. And that's really if there is a case where you're maybe struggling to secure placement, that there is evidence to show that you've made the required effort. So we're just going to show you how to actually record those applications that you make outside of Recruit, but how you can record those within your Recruit kind of profile. So click on year-long placements. And from here, you'll see in the top tab, or this menu here, you'll see a tab called Applications. You just click on it. Then you click on another tab called External Applications. And then you'll see, from here, you would actually see your current applications that you've made through Recruit, but also any applications you've made externally that you've previously logged on Recruit. In this instance, it's your first sort of external application that you're going to hit log external application. And really from here, it's relatively straightforward, but you do need certain information. You will select the relevant job area. And then from here, the location, the job title of the opportunity you've applied for, who's the employer contact person. So if you can get that from the job ad, or maybe any notification you've had from the company who have acknowledged your application, but an employer contact name, you need to provide that. And then after that, just this other contact information for the organization, the address, and all this is required so that within Recruit, what will happen is that ultimately, once you secure placement, you will be recorded as placed with that organisation, and there's various documentation and visits that are arranged based on that information for whenever you're on your placement. So it's important that you provide this information for any external applications that you make. So you fill all this out and provide an initial sort of job description and any information on what the main duties are. That'll be from just the job description from the information where you've applied for the opportunity. The date when you applied, put in an expected start date and end date. That don't have to worry too much about that. And then you need to provide some evidence of your application. So that might just be a screenshot of an acknowledgement email, or some kind of screenshot maybe of you having submitted the application on the employer website, and then hit submit, and then that will be visible within your external applications, and the placement staff within the school will be able to view that as well.